at all the holes down the valve train. See that? That's where the bolt goes through for the camshaft cap bolts. There's one right there. There are the rest right there. They're all numbered. It's easier to put together. This in no way creates pressure. There's the end cap bolt, the end caps. There's one from the middle, that's number 4 right there. Yep, there's the oiling port right there. Which, right there. Right there. There is no way that this creates pressure. Like I explained earlier, the pressure is created by the oil orifice. This thing is hollow. It's hollow. Goes up through the oil orifice, through the number 2. Where's that? Number 3. That's where the oil orifice mates with the caps. The oil comes up the oil orifice, goes in through there, and this in turn feeds the whole system. Feeds all of that right there through the hollow freaking rails.